Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You can't. All right, so I'm gonna be the blind one. Oh my God. Ago. The fire. Diglielo a lui, fagli il gesto. Do the fire. Food processor.
Ok.
Good job. Ma non è troppo corto.
That's what
We
she
need the
said.
white food processor.
Ok. Fine.
Take this off. Ago. White food processor. White. Plug it in. Erika, go and get the pistachios and pine nuts and parmigiano pecorino. Garlic. Perfect. Okay, I want 2 garlic cloves. Ago, dove sei? Ago. Open. Put them inside. Hold on. I will tell you what this cheese is. This is pecorino. Ago, we had the pecorino. I told you where it was before. 3/4 size of this inside. I need you to cut them into chunky little pieces. Did you put the garlic clove inside? Ago! Are the garlic cloves inside? Ci ha messo?
Che?
Ci ha messo l'aglio?
L'aglio.
Okay. Cut this. I want half Parmigiano Reggiano into small chunks inside the food processor. Did we put 2 garlic cloves, Erika? 2 garlic cloves. Where is it? Put it inside. Good. And where is the... Is this...
Ma che sta a fare?
This is basil. Ago. Put basil leaves inside. Vai. Did you put pecorino? Yes? Ha detto sì? Sì? No. Water is boiling. We need to salt it. 1 second. There it is. That's my
È stato a
wrap.
fuoco la mano?
Erika, take the salt and put it inside the water. Basil in here. Hopefully I don't cut my hand. Parmigiano. Did you put the pecorino? Che cos'è? Sì, perfetto. Pistachios, I need to feel them. Put them in my hand. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Pine nuts, pinoli. Okay, Erika, do we have basil? Sì. Pecorino? Parmigiano? No? Hai detto no? Yes? No! Where is the parmigiano? Ah, ok, perfetto. You can put it in, Ok?
Io buttava.
No, wait.
Io buttavo.
What pasta is this? These are the Vesuvios, perfect. Put them in. Are we doing 400 grams? Go. 400. 400? Quanto ce l'ho messa?
Ah, ok.
Parmigiano, dove cazzo stai? Ok, parmigiano, pistachios. Ok, pine nuts. Good. Garlic, 2 cloves. Ok, good. Ok, 1 second. I can't hear anything.
Ma che stai a fare?
I can't hear it.
Dai che lo sento io.
Ma sta uscendo, Erika? No! Sta uscendo! Is it coming out? Yes! Ok.
Fate nuovo per me. Basta!
Stop!
C'è più.
Go!
Guarda quanto io c'è.
È abbastanza!
Hai riempito.
Ok, maybe more basil leaves. Go. Full. Here. Dove stai? Are you putting it in? Ah, go. Ma lo sta facendo? Is he doing it? Oh.
Since my sister put a little bit too much olive oil.
You should have helped.
Che ho detto?
Add parmigiano pecorino. Vai.
Ok.
Ma non troppo. Not too much. Aiutala. Aiutala, aiutala.
Ok, lo grindo.
Vai. You're gonna add a tiny bit of pasta water, eh? Go. Did we do it? Is it good? Erika, assaggialo. Taste it, taste it. It's not good. It's not bad. A little bit more. Ma carico una... A little bit more pistachios. Assaggia la pasta, taste pasta. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Go and get ago, make sure you add a little bit more basil leaves if we have them. Also needs a little bit more salt. Dove lo metto? Mettimi la mano. Put my hand where it's supposed to be. Ok? Too much oil. It wasn't my fault. Nobody stopped me. Okay, I want to make it a little bit more creamy. Assaggia la pasta. Give me one pasta. Soffio io.
Yeah.
Ah! No! Dammene un altro! Ready. Più salto. Sale!
Sale?
Sale. Pesto sauce così. Get a spatula. Get a spatula. So you can get the sides. Good? Good? See or no? See? We did it, right? We completed it. Oh my god, that looks terrible.
It does.
Perché così? It's too much cheese.
No, l'ho detto.
It was your job to put cheese in.
No.
But did you put the pasta water? When I said the pasta water.
Non
I
sentivo
didn't
niente.
hear.
Io ti
That's
ho
why.
fatto il coso della pasta water.
Listen,
Ah, quello
guys.
significa pasta
Pasta
water.
water.
It tastes decent. It's good, but it's a bit too granular. The cheese didn't really like melt. The pasta water wasn't put in because you don't have to be told to put the pasta water in. You should know it.
I was following instructions that I couldn't hear.
Nani, non è male.
It's not bad, of course, because the ingredients are amazing, but it's too much cheese because he put too much cheese. He didn't add the pasta water. Nobody heard me. What is your verdict? You don't like it?
6 out of 10.
Erika thinks it's
Buono.
it's okay. It's good.
Ma Erika,
Now I'm
Punta.
gonna guys, give me the bowl. Where did you put the bowl? Okay, I need to save the pasta. I mean, there's no way this is gonna go to waste. In this house, nothing goes to waste. So the way we're gonna save it, in my opinion, right now, there is only a couple of things. We're gonna add the pasta water. We're gonna try to make a little bit of a smoother cream. It looks a little dry because it's too much cheese. So we're going to just, you see, it's already getting better. Put a little bit more. It's too much cheese, so when you have too much cheese, just eat a little less. It's a lot of calories. Loosen up a little bit. The heat of the pasta water is gonna kind of melt and make the cheese, the pecorino and the parmigiano, a little bit more creamy. Okay, well this looks a lot better.
Sì.
A lot better. I think we saved the pasta. Let's see if it's a little less intense. A little less, is it good? Okay, good.
meglio.
We saved it. Did you see how, actually, this was supposed to be a challenge. We did quite well and we saved it with the pasta water. The tears of the gods. Guys, We had so much fun. We're gonna go and eat. We're not gonna waste this amazing meal. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment below whatever recipe you want us to challenge next or whatever recipe you wanna see. See you next time. Remember, you are just gorgeous.